Yeah, he's gonna just a couple screws in it.
Huh? A little bit more. A little bit more. That's good. That's right there. Hey, ain't good.
Hey everybody, this is Justin Hammonds with Meadowlark Log Homes. It's good to see you guys again. We wanted to drop in and give you an update of what we're doing at the Hollet House. As you can see, once again, they've got the best view in the whole county, I think. But let's take a look at the house. We're going to do a quick walkthrough, show you what we've got. First of all, these deck boards. It's a new deck board that we're starting to work with, and they're beautiful. I love the way that they come together. It's going to wrap around the entire front of this house. It's going to look perfect. As we move into the house here, this is going to eventually be the living room with 4 picture windows that really showcase that marvelous view. That marvelous view. They're really making the most of that one. And then this will be the living room. And as we come over here, this area right here is going to be the kitchen. Here's the kitchen window. And that valley back there is just as gorgeous of a view. They're going to be clearing out all those trees that were burned down from that last fire. And that's just going to open up the view into that valley. They'll be able to see all the way out there. And that's just gorgeous. I love this place. All right. And then if we were to swirl around over here, from the kitchen, underneath the loft here, this is all going to be office areas. We can pull into the garage, and that is a nice 2-car garage. Plenty of space. Quite roomy. Very nice, very nice. And then, heading off in this direction, this is going to be the bedroom area. Off to the left, they're going to be having a dividing wall coming this direction here. That's going to be the master bedroom and the master bathroom. And then right over here, to the right of the archway, is going to be a smaller bedroom with a closet over here. So, living area, and then all the functional area out here. It's a large house, beautiful log package that we're working with. In fact, before we started putting it together, it was manufactured on the pad back at Meadowlark facilities just a couple of weeks ago. So these are fresh logs that are going together wonderfully. Over the next couple of days, we're going to be working on the deck, and then we'll continue the logs once we get another crane. Our crane today actually had the hydraulic pump go out of it. Luckily, we were able to set down a log before anything bad happened, but everybody's safe, everything's fine, and we got a new crane coming on the way. But we got plenty of work to keep us busy in the meantime. So, until we see you again, that's the update.